Good day everyone, my name is Giancarlo M. Fernandez from ABM 12E. So for today's video, we're going to discuss about journal entry, T accounts, and trial balance. A journal entry is the act of keeping or making records of any transactions, either economic or non-economic. Transactions are listed in an accounting journal that shows a company's debit and credit balances. The journal entry can consist of several recordings, each of which is either a debit or credit. In accounting, there is asset, liabilities, and owner's equity or equity. In order to know if it's credit or debit, we have the word dealer. Dealer stands for D for drawings, E for expenses, and A for assets, L for liabilities, E for equity, and R for revenue. Let's discuss first about DEA or DEA. DEA or DEA's normal balance is debit. Increase in DEA is equals to debit. Decrease in DEA is equals to credit. While the LER or LER, which is liabilities, equity, and revenue, the normal balance is credit. Increase in LER is equals to credit, and decrease in LER or LER is debit. So I'm going to show you how to write or how to make a journalizing. Journalizing or general journal. So first, you're going to write here the date and the accounts, assets, liabilities, or equities, and debit to the left and credit to the right. Let's say on January 1, Ricky invest 10,000 pesos in the company. So, date. So, you're going to put here January 1, then account. Dahil nag-invest siya or he invested on the company, there are cash, capital. Cash is an asset, so increase in cash is equals to debit. So here 10,000, then increase in capital is credit, so here 10,000. Let's take another example. So on January 2, Ricky bought a supplies on account. Supplies, we're going to put here accounts payable. Increase in supplies is equals to debit. Let's say Ricky spend 500 on supplies. So increase in accounts payable is credit. So we're gonna put here to 500. Now we know how to write a journalizing, how we determine if it debit or credit. Now we will discuss about T accounts. Why do accountants use T accounts? Accountants use T accounts in order to make double entry system. Bookkeeping easier to manage. A double entry system is a detailed bookkeeping process where every entry has an additional corresponding entry to a different account. So I'm going to show you how to write a T account. In accounting, there is an accounting equation. Assets is equals to liabilities plus owner's equity. In T accounts, you're just gonna put the account title, just let's say cash. Then you're going to write a T under the cash. To the left is debit and credit to the right. Ricky invests 10,000 on the company. So, dahil tumaas si cash, so increase in cash is equals to debit. So, you're gonna put here the date, January 1, January 1, and you're going to put the value or the 10,000. So just let's say on January 13, nabawasan tayo ng cash, ng let's say 5,000. Dahil nabawasan tayo ng cash, natin sa January 2. Ang sabi ko 5,000, right? On January 2, dahil nabawasan tayo ng cash, decrease in cash or decrease in asset is equals to credit. So, nabawasan tayo ng 5,000. So, we're gonna put the 5,000 in the credit side. Accounts payable. So, debit to the left and credit to the right. Let's say, on January 4, bumili tayo ng supplies gamit ang account. Dahil bumili tayo ng supplies, ang supplies ay magtataas. So, kunwari, 500 yung supplies on January 4. Dahil nangutang tayo ng supplies, magkakaroon tayo ng liabilities or accounts payable. Dahil tumaas yung supplies, tataas din yung accounts payable natin. So, credit to the right, we're going to put 500. January 6. Tingnan natin, January 6. Binayaran natin yung utang natin na 500. So, dahil binayaran natin yung utang nating 500, mababawasan ngayon yung accounts payable natin. Payable, dahil nga nagbayad din ng 500, mababawasan ng 500. Dahil binayaran natin yung 500, syempre, mawawalan din tayo ng cash. 500. So, decrease. So, accounts payable ay nasa liabilities. So, decrease in liabilities is equals to debit. So, we're going to record 500. Let's put here January 6 and 500. So, bakit siya naging 500? Dahil decrease in accounts payable is equals to debit. So, dahil nabawasan tayo ng cash, lagay natin siya sa credit. Dahil decrease in cash is equals to credit. So, cash, 500 on January 6. That's how to write a T account. We are done about the journal entry and the T account. So we're going to discuss now about the trial balance. A trial balance is a bookkeeping worksheet in which the balance of all ledgers are compiled into debit and credit account columns totals that are equal. A company prepares a trial balance periodically, usually at the end of every reporting period. So here, you're going to put the business name, and here, you're going to put the date of the transactions. Rory's Flower Shop. Then, on December 31, 2021. So, trial balance. Dito sa trial balance, you need the T accounts. So, let's go back here in the T accounts. On the debit side, meron tayong 10,000. On the credit side, meron tayong 5,500. Find the difference of the debit and the credit. So, 10,000 minus 5,500 is equals to 4,500. So, dahil mas malaki nasa debit, yung 4,500, doon natin siya ilalagay sa debit. Then, ganun din ang gagawin sa supplies. supplies, sa debit side, meron tayong 500. And the credit side, meron tayong 0. So, 500 minus 0 is equals to 500. So, dahil mas malaki na sa debit natin ilalagay yung 500. Punta naman tayo sa accounts payable. Sa debit side, meron tayong 500. And the credit side, meron din tayong 500. So, we're going to find the net or the difference of the debit and credit account of accounts payable. So 500 minus 500 is equals to 0. So, ano ba kinalaman ng T account sa trial balance? So, dito na. Trial balance, lalagay natin dito yung cash. Dito kasi di ba nga, ang ginawa ko lang is 3 accounts lang yung nandito. So, kaya, 3 din yun dito. Pero, pag magsasagot kayo ng mga transactions or journal entry, madaming lalabas doon. So, dito kasi 3 lang. Kaya, 3 lang din yung makikita dito. So, cash. Ang cash natin. So, anong pinaka-balance ng cash natin? 4,500. So, you're going to put here accounts, debit, and credit. So, dahil yung 4,500 ay nasa debit, so, lalagay natin dito 4,500 pesos. Then, yung supplies naman, 500 credit. Supplies. 500 pesos. Dahil 0 yung accounts payable, 0. Ang normal balance ng accounts payable ay credit. So, lalagay natin ang 0 sa credit. So, ganun lang kadali ang trial balance. I hope marami kayo natutunan sa video to. Thank you!